lift both hands up on 8 and give the lady a regular turn towards her right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both hands. Lower slightly the left hand as you give her another turn to her left, this way guys, and keep this hand on the lady's neck. 5, 6, 7, 8. It's like the regular roll, but we have a different position. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, we're both moving somewhat of a circular action. 1, 2, 3, 4 to exchange positions. Down we push the lady, both, even if the lady has never done it before. Bam, pick it down, da, she will go down, and I'm going to come in front of her. Now I'm going to change position so you see what's happening here. I lift up like I'm doing somebody up yours, the right hand, and there's a hole right here. I'm going in towards my left, giving myself a hug, let go and grab both hands like this. Now here is where the regular combination is. Okay, sway. That's what we do here. Anyways, back to business. 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you open up the hand wide, because if you have it here and you try to give her a turn, she's going to hold on to you. So 5, 6, 7, open, lift up, careful don't hit her with the elbow. 3, 4, change hands, then give her a regular turn here. Regularly. 1, 2, 3, 4. You grab the hand. This is a different little body wave. We're not going to go down and up or any other way. We're going to do down and bum up. I can lead it also with the hand, and my chest is touching the lady's shoulder blade. Do, do, do. Then one basic, 1, 2, lift the hand, slow turn, 5, 6, over,